There we go. There we go. 23-24 Topps G League Basketball Hobby 9-box break number 1. All right. Bear with me here, folks. I know the Ignite are good, right? Jeez. It's like nothing in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packs. We have an NBA mixer that's really close as well. NBA mixer is really close. Magic filler is $13 a spot. There's 3 teams left on the website. Out of 199, Nick Ungetta. Salt Lake City, Tony Snell. Jordan Hall, Chrome. Blue, Bryson Williams. Autograph, Effie Abigidi to the Ignite. Going to the Ignite. Unless I see something crazy, I'm just going to keep it moving here. Buddy Boeheim. Oh, buddy. Tier 1 Baseball, Bowman Hobby 2-box break. And the NBA mixer are all very close. Contenders football is tomorrow. Is that a pink? That was a pink. Wow, I missed that. It was a pink. Salt Lake City to 25 there. Drew Timmy to 199. And that's gold to 10. Some of these numbering are hard to see. To the Swarm. There's a blue John Knight. Autograph, Izan Almanza. Ignite. Caleb Johnson to 50. Austin Spurs. Kenneth Fareed? Dude, he used to be awesome in NBA 2K. And a Sharif Cooper blue. Yes, indeedy. Cardinals. How much does it have? 10 spots left? We gotta get a filler up. We gotta. 1 sec. We have to. guys are probably like, go, dude, hurry up, get this over with. Pink out of 25. Omari Moore to the 905s. Black Tony Snell, that's out of 10. Maine Celtics, that's chrome as well. Jeremy Lamb out of 199. Ron Holland autograph to the Ignite. That's a good one. I think. Lee Tony. Lee Tony with the Ron Holland. Dink Pate out of 149. Blue Ashton Haggins. A lot of Ignite. Tyson ETN to 199. Green Tony Snell out of 99. Raquan Gray. Autograph to the Austin Spurs, Raquan Gray. TJ Wilson. He's a play for the Bucks. Blue Matt Hurt. Orange Odise Tony out of 149. Jalen Leclerc blue. Trey Burke autograph. Mexico City Capitanes. Capitanes. Trey Burke, he was in the NBA for a little bit. Same with Theo Pinson. Q and Javonte McCoy to 99 on the green. Box. RJ Hampton, blue. Guys, we're not going to ship veteran base. If you really want your veteran base, all these base cards, let us know. We'll ship them to you. But, yeah, we're not going to ship those. Javonte McCoy to 99. Darius Days out of 199. Joey Hauser, he's from Wisconsin. RJ Hampton to 25. Matas Bazilis, blue there. He had a good game. Gabe Kalsher autograph to the Capital City Go-Go's. Shun. Brown Ridge, blue. Bazilis, 5th out of 50. To the Ignite. I think he scored like 27 the other night. Or last night even. Green, Trevor Keels to 99. Orange, Xavier Simpson out of 149. Brandon Slater out of 99. Javonte Cook, Iowa Wolves on the blue. And a Tyler Smith, Ignite auto, refractor. A lot of Ignite. Matt Hurt to 99, green on the paper. Two boxes remain. Blue Yuri Collins. Blue Mac McClung. Alex Antetokounmpo. Giannis's youngest brother. Brandon Goodwin out of 199. I promise you he's better than Thanasis. Michael Carter Williams. Mexico City Capitanes. Autograph. Former Rookie of the Year, folks. Andrew Funk out of 50 to the Grand Rapids. Romeo Langford, chrome out of 50. Salt Lake. And a Tavion Kinsey. Last box. Jarrett Culver out of 149. Former Texas Tech great there. Was in the NCAA championship game. Daryl Morsel. So the Raptors, the 905s. Lee Towney. Out of 99, Tyler Smith. James Ankijo to 50. Stockton Kings. Lance Stevenson out of 199. Iowa Wolves. We all know Lance. And a Kyler Edwards. All right, recap coming up. All right. Recap. Tyler Smith, Bazilis out of 50. Mac McClung to 25. Gabe Kelcher auto. Trey Burke auto. Gray auto. Tony Snell out of 10. This is out of 10 here. Alex Lomax. Ron Holland refractor auto. And the Michael Carter Williams autograph. Former Rookie of the Year. This is Caleb Johnson, gold out of 52. That was in the out of 199 pile. Dun, dun, dun. That. Two box. Got 3 breaks here that are really close. All 3 of them are 2-box breaks.